Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to join multiplayer worlds in Terraria. Let's select the multiplayer option. Then you can choose whether to join via IP, join via Steam or host and play. Joining via IP will take you to the select player screen. After that, hit play next to the character you wish to play as and enter the server IP address. I don't have one ready for me, but it usually looks like 12 digits separated with a comma with a period between three numbers. So three numbers dot, three numbers dot, three numbers dot, and three numbers. There is also the join via Steam. So if somebody plays with you, you can simply select join the game or invite them through here. There is also the host and play, which you can simply select your player, select the world you wish to host, and then you can change the server settings. You can enable or disable the Steam multiplayer, which hides, if disabled, hides those. You can change the allowed users to invite only, friends, and if set to invites only, friends can invite, which means that your friends can invite other players to join, and allowed users friends allow friends of friends. And once that's all set up, you can hit start. You can enter the server password. I will set it to test and hit accept. Now your game will start a server on your machine. You may need to accept some things, but as you can see, I am currently in game. And well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.